Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to program your VW Tiguan garage door opener. First, let's clear any existing programming. Find the 3 home link buttons, usually on your rearview mirror or overhead console. Press and hold the 2 outer buttons for about 20 to 30 seconds. The indicator light will flash rapidly when the memory is cleared, then you can release them. This ensures a fresh start for your new programming. Now, let's program your home link button with your existing garage door remote. Ensure your Tiguan's ignition is in accessory mode. Hold your garage door remote 1 to 3 inches away from the home link button you wish to program. Press and hold both the home link button and your remote's buttons simultaneously. The indicator light will change from a slow blink to a rapid or steady flash, signaling successful programming. If your garage door opener uses a rolling code system, there's one more crucial step. Head to your garage door motor unit and locate its Learn or Program button. Press and release this button. You'll have about 30 seconds to get back to your Tiguan. Once in your car, press the home link button you just programmed for 2 to 3 seconds. You may need to press it 2 or 3 times until your garage door responds. With the programming complete, it's time to test your new home link button. Press it once to ensure your garage door opens and closes as expected. You can repeat this entire process for any other garage doors or gates you'd like to control from your Tiguan, as you have up to 3 buttons available. And hey, while you're upgrading your car's convenience, why not upgrade its scent too? Check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.